What is g at a height of 2 r Earth above the surface of the Earth? So the first thing we need to know is we want to know what the gravitational field is here, what the acceleration due to gravity is when we're 2 Earth radii above the surface. So let's draw a picture showing what this means. So here's our Earth, has a radius RE, and now we're going to be at some height above it at a height of 2 RE. But now the thing to remember is when we're dealing with the equations here always, this distance that we always deal with when we're on the surface of the planet is in fact the radius of the Earth. So by saying that they're 2 Earth radii above the surface, we know that they have this height, but they're excluding this other important piece, which is actually the radius of the planet. So you also have to take that into account. So the total distance from our mass, 2 Earth radii above the surface, to the center of the Earth is a total distance of 3 RE. So we have to plug in 3 times the Earth radii into this R down here. So after we do that, G equals the gravitational constant times mass of our planet divided by 3 times RE, and then we square the entire thing, giving us 1/9 GM over RE squared. So this is going to be 1/9 the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth. So once again, they're saying that we're 2 Earth radii above the surface. So we're at this point here. But now you remember that the forces are central, they're along the lines joining them, so they're direct, and they're between the centers of the 2 objects. So we want to know the total distance between the center of the planet and the center of our object. We know that we're 2 RE above the planet's surface, so we're given this, but we also have to take into account this distance here for us to calculate the total distance between our 2 objects. So that's why we're adding RE and 2RE to get our distance of 3 times the radius of the Earth. So once again, that's why we got 3RE and plug that in for R, opposed to just plugging in 2. So once again, if we plugged in our 3RE here, we would find that the acceleration of gravity at a height of 2RE above the surface, key above the surface, is 1/9 the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth. So our answer is A.